In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of a background image in Wix. Whether you're creating a more subtle backdrop for your site or just want to experiment with different styles, adjusting opacity can make a significant impact. So let's dive into it. First things first, head over to your Wix website. You can easily find your way through the Wix Editor, which is designed to be user-friendly. Once there, locate the image that you want to work with as your background. This image serves as the canvas where you'll make all these exciting changes. Now click on the Edit Image button. This option opens up a variety of tools that allow you to customize your image's characteristics. From here, focus your attention on the next step, which is to click on Background. The background option provides the key to manipulating the look and feel of your chosen image within the site design context. With the background menu open, you'll see a lot of options. Look for the possibility to adjust the background color. This is essential because the color adjustments can affect how your image's opacity blends with the rest of your site theme. You might want to consider how the background color interacts with your text and other elements on your page for the best visual effect. Following that, you need to click on Cutout. The Cutout tool is truly valuable for isolating parts of the image or making specific sections stand out. If you aren't familiar with it, don't worry, it's intuitive and quite straightforward to use. Next up, you have the option to use Auto Cutout. This feature is an efficient way Wix assists you in refining the image's edges automatically, giving you precision with minimal effort. Once Auto Cutout is complete, consider using the Refine Cutout tool to manually make any necessary tweaks. This step ensures that you maintain control over the finer details of your background image. Now, let's focus on opacity. Adjusting the opacity in Wix is simple. Slide the opacity meter to your desired level. Setting it to 0% will make the background image completely transparent, essentially removing the image from the view and letting the background color shine. Test different opacity levels to see what looks best with the rest of your site's design. When your adjustments feel just right, click on Apply to save the changes you've made. Always remember, after making significant changes, take a moment to compare your edits. Click and hold to compare the before and after versions of your image. This is a helpful way to ensure your changes are moving your design closer to what you envisioned. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can expertly manage the opacity of background images on your Wix site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has empowered you to enhance your web design skills.